How can I return true if X is in either of multiple lists? As you can see, I'm getting nowhere. How can I make it so that it returns true if X or Y are in either lists?
You can do that using any or just concatenate the lists.
I think the best balance between succinct code and efficiency here would probably be using itertools.chain. The chain function returns an iterator that produces the values of each list in succession. The result is similar to concatenating all the lists together, but without the added overhead of actually creating one massive list. Another nice feature is that you can pass a list of lists to chain and unpack it with the operator.
Use the any function.
Any is generally the way to go, but there is also this simple expression. This has the benefit of shortcutting evaluation of the expression if X is in list 1, whereas the any approach will iterate over both lists every time.
If you wanted to see more, please consider subscribing.